Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Our today's topic is sale order entry form development. It is part one of it. And here we are going to show you how quickly we can create a sale order entry form for the user. And it has some background I must mention, that you have the salespersons as employees sheet, these all are the salespersons, and at the same time they are the user of the system, and their usernames are also given with the password, right? Having a super user like AMJI, which is normally as a default we have kept. When you log into the system, you log in with something like this. I can show you in this module 2. This is the auto open. This procedure executes when you load the file, right? As soon as you load the file, I'm going to play it. So this appears to you, right? If you do not select anything, just click login, then as a super user, you are able to go to the entire system. Whereas if you choose an employee, for example, this Fred Heifer Nancy, so it will look into the what permissions it has got, and you will not see all these files, only the sheets, the objects which are available for him. So the password is here. We have kept 111. Okay, that is the job of the admin to allocate the password. So 111 is the password. We click OK. So what does it do? It logs into the system with the user, and all the unnecessary and unwanted sheets are removed. Only those sheets are kept which are assigned to him. Okay, so assigned to the user, right? So in order to click you can save it. Let me show you. When you open it, we press Alt F4 here to close the file, go out of the Excel. Now I'm going to take you back to the system with a login as a super user, right? So this is our sheet. This is the part one of the serial, yeah. So let's open it. So it is going to log on to you. So at the time of opening, it is developing. It is making ready the login prompt, and in the login prompt, you enter your credentials, right? And your credentials are to be used, like, for example, if you have chosen this, right, then you need the password to enter. This is, of course, AMJ123, and you click login. So now you are able to see all this here. So this is how the system is made, and we will continue such things in which the main metrics which is governing all the administrative privileges is the admin, where you have the authorization metrics. Using these information, the objects are made available to the user to work on, right? In this case, when you click, while you are in a super user, then you click the sale order entry form, then you got the same thing, the form in here. The first thing we do is bring all the employees' name into the employees in the drop down, and this is the customer drop down for which for whom you want the order to be entered, right? And then there will be order details and shipment details and payments, etc. And then you will click OK. So first thing is that on the basis of your credentials, the system automatically should see that the salesperson names should appear here. Okay, when the salesperson logs into the system, only his name will appear here. Whereas if the super user logs in, all the salesperson's names will be logged in, so that maybe and you have two sort of the system in which some salesperson do not have the access to the network. They are only concentrating on the sales activity. So they are making their own reports to the admin, and admin enters the orders on their behalf. And some of the salespersons have got the access to the system, and they enter directly into the system the orders. So for in that case, their name will appear in here, and then they can start entering. So we are concentrating in today's how to populate the data in a manner that is sensitive to the user who is using it. If the user is admin, all the employees entries, the salesperson's entry should appear here, and salesperson's names should appear in this employee drop down, and he can choose the employee, and for on that salesperson behalf, he can and start the processing the orders entry. Okay, so let's go to the development screen by Alt F11 and see how we do this. Okay, the first thing we did in the is that adding the sale order form. Yeah, the sale order form was added, right? So in our previous video, we have shown you that how to add a sale order form. Okay, and the next is every form has an initializer. It means when there are certain things which have to be done as soon as the form is shown. So that is called, in the view code, it is called the user form initialize. So these are the things which we want to be executed at the time of showing. Means means unattendedly, and this is the form's initialization, basically. Okay, this means so that the things are operated. So our form is having an employee that is named as the object name is salesperson. The salesperson drop down. It's a drop down, right? And we can go to this and see this. When you click here, it is salesperson. Wherever we refer to this drop down, we will use salesperson, right? Salesperson. And if we want to add some item, we will use add item method. Okay, so let's go back to here. Yeah, this is the salesperson. So in initialize here, before we initialize the salesperson dialog or the drop down, we need to figure out that which sheet it is going to be. This command tells the program that we need an Excel sheet object, and that sheet is to be set. The dim command declares it, but it cannot be used until it is set. This is a normal procedure, right? So once a thing is done, then an object is done, is dimmed, then it has to be set. When it is set, now wherever you want to refer to go to the sheet, employee sheet, so you are going to use sh, right? So simple as that. Okay. So here it is written as sheet. Instead of writing sheet emp, you will only need sheet, right? And okay, what we are going to figure out which item title. So we know that we will be using employee name. Yeah. If we go to the sheet, employee sheet, we will see that in the row 1, there is a title that is employee name, right? So let's go back, Alt F11. So this is being referred here as employee, so as a column title text which it has to send. So it is changing. This is starting from the when you never know. This may come in the middle, in the beginning, in the end, anywhere. So your first thing is that to identify that where is it located. So it is checking it, and each time it is incrementing a column in the row 1, right? So the row A1 to B1, then C1, then D1, like this one, and then it comes to conclude that what is the cell address, or where the employee name is here. Okay, so we can put a breakpoint here so that you see that each command, what is each command doing, right? Let's put a breakpoint here, okay? And we click here, right? Okay, so what has happened, you can see that it has completed this loop successfully, right? So it is column number 19. That is column number 19, and its address and has been written, and so the range is going to be set now. So what is the range set? So we will see that. Okay, so let's press F8 here. So now the range is set. So what range has been set? So let's use the debug.print, or you can use a dot print. Yeah, this is a first one. So what do you want to print? We want to print RNG.headers. I'm sorry. So let's, this is debug. Okay, so what we do here, so we will see in the immediate window, if it is not located at your screen, you can go to the view and go to the immediate view, or press Ctrl G. So now if you click here, so this is a tool and for the developer that will keep you updated that what is happening, what goes on. So it has set the range from T1 to T13. By the way, T1 to T13, what is it? T1, that is, this is T1, and until why T13? Because the last cell is T13. So why has it taken the last cell? Why not T12 or 14 or something? Why? Because of the LR. If you see, the LR is set to be 13. That's why it is T13. Okay, so it has set the range with the help of this command that takes from T1 T1 address to and replace it to T13. Okay, so this is how it is now. Now it is saying if the user is A and J, then fill make all the salespersons available in the dialog box. Otherwise, make only the username. Whoever is logged in, so he will be available in there. Okay, so that's it. And in the end, not only that bring this thing available, you can also, instead of use add item, you can also use equal to dot text or put it like this, right? So it will become the user dot text dot text. Okay, so it will become the value of this. So since your username is equal to AMJ at the moment, so it will bring all the names. It will bring all the names into the run, and then it is going to show you. Okay, so this is how. So you will see all the names have come into the now the AMJ user, the admin user, the super user can create the order which were provided by the different users to him manually, or so he can arrange the entry of the sale order form for him. Okay, I hope you liked it. We will continue on this development in the next upcoming videos. Looking forward humbly to your watching, and do let me know, let me have your feedback. Thank you very much.